The event, which centered on quality standards and core values, was aimed at changing the mindset of the participants towards transforming all sectors of the state economy to standards and to make life better for the residents. Declaring the workshop open, Governor Obiano, who was represented by his deputy, Dr. Nkewo Keke, stressed the need for all hands to be on deck in the development of the state, reminding the participants of the need to use their various positions to impact positively on the lives of the people. Governor Obiano called on the state residents to always perform their civic responsibilities effectively.
We need to work, but without that change, it doesn't mean we can just sit and do nothing individually as a person, as a human being. Nobody here can tell me he doesn't know what's right.
In a presentation on how to make the state more conducive for all, the training facilitator and consultant to Anambra State Government on Standards and Modernization, Mr. Twinkle Oluwariye, identified determination, seriousness, focus, passion, vision, and hard work as catalysts for building an ideal society.
You all put together have the opportunity sitting in your hands to transform Anambra State. Today we will agree on the way things will be done to uplift the standard of living of our people.
Earlier in a remark, the chairman, Anambra Economic Think Tank, Mr. Mark Atasien, maintained that the state can become the best in the world through collective efforts and charged workers in the state to always stick to professionalism and teamwork for greater productivity. In their reactions, the chairman, Anambra State Fiscal Planning Board, Mr. Chike Maduekwe, and the managing director and chief executive officer of Transport Company of the Anambra State, Trackers, Dr. Ifeoma Madukase, thanked Governor Obiano for organizing such a program, which they described as apt, stressing the need for government officials to build internal cohesion so as to help in the actualization of the government's vision and plans. From Golden Tulip, Agulu, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.